Hello from California. Um, got a uh, Facebook uh, hot pack break. I bought into one spot, and the from FIGHT-ON-52, and I think this is the first one I bought. So uh, came nicely packed, and it's sealed right there. So I know it hasn't been tampered with, and feels pretty heavy for one. For one, uh, let's get into it. I got two other packages that I got. So all these are in magnetics. So okay. Okay, we'll go this one first. I'll say that one the last. James, you take really good care of your cards. I just want you to know that. This is uh, Mike Stanton from, I think this is Triple Threads, number 340. It's a 2008 contender rookie card of Eddie Royal. Card itself looks beat up. Unless that's the slab. Looks like like it's worn, like it's been worn and weathered. But it's pretty nice. May be the design of the card. Terrell Thomas from 2008 rookie auto from Contenders. Those were nice contenders. I like those. There's another contender, early Deucet. Can't remember. Can't remember them guys. There's another one. Roger Maris, number 250. Is a green parallel. Selvin Young from Press Pass. Hook'em Horns, Texas Longhorns. Brian Manville, auto. And from 2017 Topps Archives, Michael Fulmer, number 99 from Bowman. Michael Fulmer. Never heard of him. And another 2007. Yeah, it must be the design of the card. Craig Lumpkin. Yeah, those contenders, 2008 to the Yeah, 2008 Contenders. The design, this is rookie over the card. Yeah, that's the design. My bad. I didn't know that. 2008 Contenders, Jerome Belton, and another finest auto of Andre Caldwell. Don't know that guy. Most of these guys in the magnetics I don't know. And then I think this is the two main hits of the package. Number to 50. Can't remember what year this is. 2016 Topps 5-star. Frank Thomas auto. Not a big hurt collector. Hope everybody going out as a birthday present. And Bo Jackson, you must have had a double of this one to put it into the pack. If you need this card back, let me know. I'll send it back your way. 12 of 49. Can't have enough Bo, as you always say. James, you're immaculate, buddy. That's all I can say. And appreciate you doing it. And I love the redemption. That's a good idea. You put a redemption in with one of the packs, it gives one of us another chance that can't afford it to get another pack. It's a good idea. I appreciate you doing that. I was totally shocked when I got it. And I really appreciate it. But if you need that Bo Jackson back, let me know. I'll send it back your way. And for all you guys in YouTube land that run across these, let me get an example. The Silver Pack promo cards, yeah, good thing I got a cover over it. They look like that. And if you have any graded, let me know, because I'll buy them for my set if I don't have it already. It's got like the Bowman that came out in 2011, 2012. There used to be a guy from Japan, and most of us know him. He's a teacher over in Japan or Okinawa or someplace like that. I think his name is Noah, but he has family that lives in California, but he is a teacher over in Japan somewhere. Can't remember. But he opened up a product of it back in 2011, 2012, and the product was Bowman. It was Japanese exclusive cards that had that that diagonal design with the refractorish look, and it's got lines in between. It's got lines going down vertically like that, and it's got little lines going in it, and it looks like a comb of honey, sort of, in a way, if you look at it with a light in it. It's got a refractorish look to it. And right now I'm doing the base version. The numbered version is, I got one here that somebody thought they were sending me. of a card I needed. It was numbered to 50 of Nolan Ryan. They made these two. The Silver Pack Promo Gold PSA 10. And I need that card, but I need it in a the non-numbered version. Uh, they're not as valuable as this. Say the base version only sells for, um, say, anywhere from $19 to $30. Most of them can't get $30 for them. Most of them end up selling them as low as $15 to $18. Um, and I've noticed that the prices are coming down on them. But except for Eric Judge and Corey Seager and them guys, they're still up there above $50. The raw versions are anyway. I got a PSA 9 Eric Judge of that, but I wanted a 10. And these came out before PSA started using the lighthouse holder. So it had to be earlier the year that they came out. So, but anyway, if you have any, let me know. I'll be glad to look through my list and tell you if I need it or not. I would greatly appreciate it. And I love you a lot, James. You're an honorable guy. Appreciate your honesty. And this video is brought to you by Lipton Brisk Lemonade. This stuff is way better than Coca-Cola, guys. Minute Maid is better for you. Remember that. Ha!